How to refer a friend to H&R Block. Follow my instructions. H&R Block's referral program lets you earn rewards when someone you refer files their taxes using H&R Block either online or in an office. To start, log into your H&R Block account at hrblock.com or open the My Block app. From the dashboard, look for the section labeled Refer-A-Friend, Earn Rewards, or Invite and Earn. Click on the Referral section, and you'll see your unique referral link or code. You can copy the link and share it via email, text, or social media. When your friend uses that link to start and complete their tax return, both of you may qualify for a reward, typically a gift card or discount on services. Make sure your friend completes their filing through the H&R Block platform and uses your referral before they check out or pay. The reward amount and delivery method may vary, so check the current terms listed in the referral section. You can track your referrals and pending rewards right from your account. If a referral doesn't show up, make sure they used the correct link and completed the filing process. Rewards are usually delivered within a few weeks after your friend's return is accepted. Thanks for watching.